Hi there.
Propane from what's his company name?
I don't know.
Wow, fake fan. You want to talk about weak reference?
Probably like
Pro
Propane Incorporated or something.
Hank Hill's propane and propane accessory.
Who's this nerd invite me to a game?
You guys want to be pirates?
Yeah,
Yes,
kinda.
that's the best one.
Arrgh!
I mean, at this point, you might as well stay up till 6 in the morning.
Do you even have a dad, Lance?
I wish, dude. Literally, this first hole always screws me over because I always want to do it this way,
I remember when
and
we
I
had
always suck.
8 people playing this, and we all got like 14 on the first hole.
Well, because we all want to take up that little side ramp instead of just going the easy way.
I missed.
Oh
Get
my
out!
God.
Oh, I missed again. Wait,
Did
is
you
it
turn? Did you turn off collision?
I don't know. It should have. I
No,
didn't
you
change it.
I think you have to turn it on every time. So you've been wasting strokes, my guy.
That's wasted like 6 strokes.
Hey, check out the numbers.
Hey, let me check if it's on. Someone hit me. Someone hit me. I triple
Oh.
dog dare you.
It's off.
It's off. Fuck, dude. That's what makes good content, though.
Oh, dude,
I almost
hole in one.
bank shotted it.
Hole in one?
Oof.
Wow, Chase, way to bump me. Collision boy. You did get a
ran
hole
past
in
him.
one, Lance.
Why would I lie to you? Aurora Borealis.
Woo!
You guys ready for the steamed clams we're having?
You mean the steamed hams?
Oh no. Steamed hams. You call them
What's
steamed
that?
hams, even though they're clearly grilled.
Yes, it's a tradition.
Why am I so bad at the shit?
No. Ooh.
If collision was on,
You would hurt me very badly.
you would have been bumped off the course into outer space of my nipples.
Chase, goodbye, friend. Oh.
You got
please.
lucky. What's your hat say?
I have no idea.
Oh, it says it's from. I think it says the crew.
Fish.
Because
Right.
those are YouTubers that played this game. I think.
Oh.
Oh, is it?
I
I feel
fell in
like
the water.
I feel like
think
an
so.
autistic kid that wears all the fan merch of his favorite YouTuber.
Maybe you, Beppis.
You should wear Minecraft T-shirts to school.
Oh,
I'm naming
you
my
made me-
kid.
You made me miss. Stop being fun.
You fell off.
Quit breathing your mic so hard.
Who, me?
What, like this?
Yeah, every time you laugh, you go.
You want to see
That's
my
what she
best
said.
stroke yet?
Oh, on my screen you missed. Almost laughed.
Really?
Yeah.
Steamed clams. Steamed.
Whoa!
Dude, that was the perfect shot. Lance,
Wow,
I
you
like the
suck at
color of your
gameplays.
balls.
That was double over par, guys. I need to make a hole in one on the next one and the next one.
Lance, you're actually trash at this game.
Well, Lance, I can't believe you try to play this game professionally. You should be kicked off your Golf with Friends esports team.
I know. Wait. Let me think. What's a good name for an esports team for this game?
I don't know.
The
The
I don't
ball
know.
suckers. The ball hitters. Something with
Yeah,
balls.
there you go. The ball hitters.
The
We
hole
don't-
in the
You
hole
don't
in
actually hit balls in
oneers.
this game though. You kind of just make them slide.
All right, Chase. We're not talking about logistics.
What if it had like a person pop up
Is
and
that
hit
even
it
the right
every
use of
time
the
you
word?
landed your shots?
Chase, quit being so pretentious and promiscuous about all this chemistry.
We'll
I'm
make
about
our
to
own.
photosynthesis right now if you don't quit. Oh shoot.
Hey, the only way to
Well, we
do
did
this
the
is
same
full power.
Shit.
Then why am I on the lead?
Okay, maybe
No,
it
full
is.
power is the correct.
Oh, did y'all see that? I hit the
Look at my
exact
full
little
power, dude.
tippy tap of that.
I full powered that shit. Now I'm gonna full power this shit and I'm gonna hole in one. Meow. Oh, I almost made that shot. I gotta make a trick shot, guys. Or else
Oof. Look at that shit.
trick shot. What the fuck?
That was actually kind of cool.
Perhaps.
Trick shot.
Gosh,
Perhaps.
don't make this game take 7 years longer. Cause you suck.
Hey, I gotta make more content, Lance.
Yeah, what are his 168 subscribers gonna do without it?
You know, I'm gonna tell you what.
200.
I'll tell you what.
Actually.
This video will get views, but only from the subscribers. You will not get 30,000 views.
Bet.
Listen,
We'll
Austin,
find out.
Austin, if you get 30,000 views on this, I'll give you a crisp high five.
How crisp.
I don't know, crisp.
All right.
Like
That's a bet.
as crisp as the word itself sounds, you know.
Yeah. Crispy is the word coupon. How about that?
Crispy.
No, think about it. Crisp starts in your throat and goes k, and works its way, and it ends on the tip of your lips.
The
Goes
extra
crisp.
crispy kernel.
Hey there, folks. It's me, the extra crispy Colonel. Now, I love original recipe, but in this sizzling summer heat, I'm feeling a little extra crispy.
It's very crispy when you say it with an accent.
Crisp. You gotta say it with a French accent.
The extra kernel.
Croissant.
Hold on. I want to try.
Croissant.
I surrender.
Classic. Man, screw the French.
Sharp.
I got my editing finger.
Why? What do I have to edit
You guys
that
are
from?
dissing these French people, dude. They're just eating
There's
their
no French people except this guy to you.
Maybe.
France is like Wyoming. It's
It
a
doesn't
myth.
exist.
It doesn't exist.
Wyoming doesn't exist. Nope, I'm not gonna edit that out. You ever met any from? You
I
guys
was gonna
ever?
say, you can't offend someone if they don't exist.
Yeah, you ever met anyone from Wyoming? That's what I thought.
What if I had though?
You'd be lying because it doesn't exist. You like,
Dude, it's.
They're-
I hate this game.
dude, going down the glory hole.
I just smacked my son of a this hole.
What if glory holes was like a really popular thing? Like
God,
more
I
popular,
wish.
and like any hole in your house would just get filled.
I hate you guys.
Why you gotta word it like that?
like you just have a hole in your wall, you know, and then there's just like a cock, a penis.
Dude,
A
that's
penis
perfect,
just
'cause that would
pops through your
probably
hole.
be Your sister or even your dad.
What?
Austin's an only
If it
child.
was in your
so-
house, that leaves your mom or your dad, dude.
How does the cannon work?
You don't know how the
What?
cannon works? You have to get barely in the end, and so that when the thing comes down, it
Whoa! It shot me out, dude.
Whoa, dude.
We're pirates, matey.
No, like
I'm gonna waste all my strokes trying to experience this
Oh
cannon.
shit!
It's
a
worth it.
glory hole.
That was dope.
Wow, Lance, nice stroke.
Lance, why is your name Joker Asylum?
Because I suck at making names.
It sounds like something an autistic Batman fan would make.
Well, have you met me,
Well,
Chase? Your name is your name.
yes.
Lance's name was his name.
My
I
parents
got the
are great
best
at
name.
Things. Why would I change it?
I mean, my name's Lance Milburn on some things, but other times it's Lance Boyle on Epic Games.
I got the best username. You can't take it.
It's true. He's right.
Alien G. Kind of
Yeah,
basic.
man. Kind of basic. Have you literally met another alien G?
I was making a joke because my name is actually my name.
That's
mean,
what
can
I
you prove
thought.
Literally, you can't prove that. Everyone watching right now, this guy's name could be Joe.
It's actually not even my first name. Yeah, it's getting
So-
talked about
I
at
was
least
talk-
every time I hang out with y'all.
I was talking about something.
Dalton Brings
No. I was talking about something like I hate how people name their kids this and they don't call them that. And then I made an
Wow.
example of people that name their kids Dick and they call him Richard.
I think you're a little backwards on that one, my friend.
Except I've met a person that was named Dick and they didn't go by it before.
I'd go by Dick.
Then why would you name yourself? Well, no. Why would the parents name them that?
Oh,
I
no,
wish I
bro.
named myself. My name would be. I don't know what it would be actually. My
Why
name
won't
would be
you all get
Alien
good at
G.
this
Oh
all?
my.
Why don't y'all just get good at this whole, like me, Lance? Why don't I what?
Go by your actual name.
Why don't you say it? Well,
You
why
don't see me
isn't
go-
why
Hey,
isn't
you
your
don't see me going
username?
by my middle name?
Why isn't
What is
your
your middle
username?
name?
Skinny penis.
Why don't you just
Oof.
get good at this whole like me and Austin?
Yeah, dude, I got like a hole in one.
His subs. Well, I guess you already did like a face reveal, so like it doesn't matter.
I
I
don't
guess.
care.
Darn it.
I don't think I'm gonna tell people my last name.
Okay.
You do realize I can just edit. And I'm
Oh,
just
yeah.
gonna edit in my voice saying mine. Mining, no.
Oh, that was-
Take on me,
I shot
hole
that
in
full
two.
power, alien.
That's what I did.
Awesome.
Shut the fuck up.
I mean, from now on, it'll be awesome. So literally, anytime I say your name, you have to edit it out.
Stop.
It's so much work.
It just makes it harder. Well, no. What would be also be so much work is if my
Oh my
my
gosh.
audio fucks up like it did when we did Golf with Friends last time. I don't know if I'm gonna upload that, Chase, but when we
It's
did
all
it
good.
before, because like the audio was really fucked up. Cause
Oh, wow,
Ugh.
Chase, once you get good at the game,
I think I will.
I think I'm gonna win, guys. How did I
Yeah.
fall off that? It stopped.
I'm gonna have to say doubt.
What do you mean, dot?
Huh?
No.
Watch this
no.
hole in one. Look at that giant monster, dude. You think that's from real life?
Yeah, that's actual footage.
Footage. That's how video games work.
I've seen that in Pornhub before.
Hey, listen, Chase, if you took video game design as a pathway, you would understand how video games work, and that's not how they work.
What?
Why would I take
It's
video
from
game
real
design?
life.
Why would I take video design as a pathway? I don't want to have a useless job.
That's not a useless job. That's the
That's a-
future. You could
Bro,
be
that's a
you could be
useless job.
designing the Oasis.
You mean a useless game?
Excuse you?
You could be designing the teeth on this guy's mouth. Chase, don't you want to like design every single little crease, the black line that's in his teeth?
Not particularly.
His teeth
Chase,
look.
you don't know what living is then.
I just got hit
Oh.
by his fucking tentacle.
That's hot.
I've seen that before. I know. What the hell? I just phased through his mouth. You like those, don't you, huh?
Is this the only hole?
Double bogey.
Oh,
Yeah.
did you make that?
Hit a
He did
freaking
like a
clutch.
hole in one.
It was
Or
a
no,
hole in
no.
two.
He was like 11 strokes or something. And
Yeah,
he got it
just
in
shot
really
it.
far
He just
away.
he just freaking like
Not enough,
Michael
not
Jordan
enough
dunked
power.
it.
Oh, really, Austin? I thought I had too much.
He hit it to get racket position.
Really, Austin?
Shut the fuck up.
Let me guess, you're gonna tell me that was too much power?
Too much power. I'm gonna just edit. Oh,
I still won though.
No, you didn't.
Shut up, Lance. I had a higher score than you.
Taco Shack, Taco Shack. You'll eat cheese until you yak.